Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to show how we can install Hardhat, Ethereum development environment for smart contracts. All right. But before we do that, usually we need to also download the editor. In this case, we are going to download the VS Code, stands for Visual Studio Code. So go here, click the for downloads. I already did that. So if you show that, I can show you what it looks like. VS Code. Okay, one of the things you like to do is okay, you open this, so you can navigate to open a file or open a folder. In this case, I'm gonna create directory for this demo. So I'm gonna create nkdir exercise one. nkdir exercise one. Okay, so if we go here, open this particular directory, and right now it's exercise one. It's going to be empty right now, but never mind. We're going to then close this. Now I'm going to download the npm, which is Node.js. So you download over here. You click Node.js. This is JavaScript programming. So I already downloaded that. I'm not going to repeat myself. So I'm going to go to exercise one over here. Now I'm actually able to type the command npm, which is the node package manager, init and initialization. So after that, I can actually this is going to create a package JSON file, as you can see. So this one will this is actually a registry for all the packages installed or uninstalled. So I could install Hardhat right now. Without the slash, just this. Okay, so we're going to create a Hardhat project. So right now, if you look at this, I have node modules over here. I have the package log over here. What is node modules? Okay, so some of the modules already installed over here. We're going to now use the command Hardhat. Hardhat already installed. So I'm going to create an npx project, create a JavaScript project. Use this is root. Yes. Yes to everything. So now you actually see some example on the contract. Like now I can use the this. I can open contract, which is log.so. Okay. In the beginning, the VC code is not going to make this colorful. So all you do is click over here, and then you can say solidity. And then you have a lot of extension to make your CDD file look beautiful. Okay. And that's what I did. So you can also look at scripts over here, which is JavaScript. This file actually trying to deploy the log contract, which is right here, line 17. Deploy this contract. In the test, we can also deploy too. But in addition to deploy, here's the deploy. But in addition to deploy, we can also use the it statement to call the contract and then trying to compare if the return value is equal to something. So this is the test one, another test two, test three. So a bunch of tests over here. So now let's say I want to compare the contract. I can use the command npx hardhat compile. Either I can compile just one file, or I can just without having a name, then it's going to compile everything under contracts. Okay. So I think I have the Hardhat. Sorry. npx Hardhat compile. I my typo. Sorry. Turns out the first time is not so successful. I guess because we are missing this. So I remember we need to have one command to this is called Hardhat toolbox. And I needed one command to do this. I don't quite remember the command, so I will simply search for it. Here's the command I'm looking for. Right here, npm install save Yes, save dev. I forgot to save that part. Okay. Okay, good. So let's go back to compile. Now it's going to be good. And then we can also do a test, which is going to run the test 1, 2, 3, 4, just I show you. So check in the all pass. We can also deploy the Hardhat run scripts, deploy .js. So this script is going to run. It's going to deploy the contract not on real blockchain, but by a simulation. So this is address. So this just said the contract is deployed. It's also there's a unlock time step and so on. So and we can also actually run these on a particular network if you want. If you already have a particular network, so in this case, you can also run local host, or you can have the app particular endpoint for blockchain, and you can put over here in network. You can also configure the Hardhat configuration file so that you can deploy on different network. We can also use the command. Hardhat a lot of commands which we are going to show later. Here we just focus on the basics. So for example, you can say run node, and then over here you can run things locally, 0.0, 0.1, and then the port number. Okay, so that's very much for today. So we're going to show you another video to give you more detail how we can write a contract, how we can deploy it, and how we can test it. Especially the testing part is going to be our focus. All right. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.